Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add sub bullets on Google Doc. Let's start the video. First open Google Doc and you can see here the lines. Just select the text and on top you can see bulleted list. So click on this and add bullet points. Now the second step, just come on one sentence and press enter, then press tab. After pressing tab, you can see here the subheading is added. Now again, the same process. These are the basic steps to add sub bullet points on doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.